Hello everyone, welcome to Source Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing off our discussion with the questions pertaining to test of mathematics. So we'll be taking a look at a few questions pertaining to which we see in this kind of exam, so that you can get a clear idea on what are the questions that are asked on exam, and we can get a clear approach on how to go about solving this kind of questions. So the first question here is P and PB are tangent to the circle S touching at point A and B. Okay. C is a point S in between P and B as shown in the figure. LCM of the tangent S to the intersecting PA PB is point L and M, okay, respectively. Then the perimeter of the triangle PLM depends on. So we need to look at the perimeter of the triangle. Here we know from a common point when any tangents are from a common point, if any tangents are drawn to a circle, they are always equal in length. So that's tangent property we know. So therefore LA will be equal to LC, and similarly again we can write MB is equal to MC. So this two things we know, MB equal to MC. Okay, so PA minus PL equal to LC. So therefore PA equal to PL plus LC, and here PB minus PM equal to MC. So PB equal to PM plus MC. Now if we add both of this, so PA plus PB, we have PL plus LC plus PM plus MC equal to PL plus PM plus LM. So this entire time will have some kind of value. So let's take this as a constant K. Okay. So therefore one thing we can see that of all the given option, we can see the dependency of the perimeter of the triangle PLM. PLM will be what? Simply PL plus LM plus plus MC. This is the perimeter of the triangle. So we can see it's entirely dependent on point P, right? It's only dependent on point P. So option A gets cancelled. P but no, P and C only also gets cancelled. Radius R. So option B is the correct answer. So I hope this is clear how we went about with the solution of the same. Okay. So with that said, let's move on to the next question. Yeah. So the second question, the vertices of the triangles are 0.0044 and 0.8. Okay. The radius of the circumcenter of the triangle is, so we need to find the radius of the circumcenter of the circumradius. So let's do one thing. Let us draw the circle first, or draw the triangle first. Okay. So see. Okay, so my bad is 0.8, right? So 8, y-axis will be higher as compared to that. Okay. Say this is 0, 0. Okay, so this being 0, 0. Let this point be A. We have 0, 8. So this is say C being 0, 8, and we have 4, 4. So let this point be 4, 4. Let this be B. So let's join this. Yeah. So we have our triangle. Okay. This is 4, 4, and this point is 8. So yep, we have our triangle. So this is our figure. So what we need to find is simply the circumradius. Okay, so now if we find the slope of AB, we have 4 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 0 equal to 1. So slope of AB is 1. So therefore slope of say this is O. Okay, this is the point where all the this basically interact. So therefore slope of, say, this is D, this is E, and this is F. So it connects at midpoint 2 comma 2. This will be 0 comma 4. Okay, and this one again will be for F. Again we'll have another points like this. So 0 comma 4 but do that is 2 comma 6. Okay, this point F. Let me highlight all the points first. E, D and F. Okay, and this is point O. Yep. So slope of OD, since OD is perpendicular to AB, will simply be minus 1. Okay, and equation of OD would simply be y minus 2 minus equal to minus 1 to x minus 2. So that is x plus y equal to 4. That is the equation of OD. Again, equation of OE will simply be y equal to 4 for OE, y equal to 4. Now if we solve both these equations like OD and OE, we get x equal to 0. So therefore this particular point would simply be 0 comma 4. O will be 0 comma 4. Okay, so therefore circumradius is 4. So option D is the correct answer. So I hope this is clear, the approach you have taken to solving the same. So with that said, let's move on to the third question. Yep. So the third question here being, number of different angles satisfy the equation cos theta plus cos theta equal to minus 1 at the time of satisfying the condition being theta greater than 0 and less than 360 is. So let's see, the given condition given here is cos theta plus 2 cos square theta equal to minus 1. Okay, so oh no, this is not a cos 2 theta, sorry, my bad. Cos 2 theta equal to minus 1. Okay, so we can write the same as cos theta plus cos 2 theta plus 1 equal to 0. Again, cos theta plus 2 cos square theta plus 1 equal to 0. We simply use the formula for breaking cos 2 theta into cos square theta. So again, if we take cos theta, so 2 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this will be okay, have we made a mistake somewhere? Okay guys, sorry, I think I made a calculation error, so please, so yeah, well, let's start off again, sorry for my bad. Cos theta plus cos 2 theta equal to minus 1 is given. So let me just bring this down over here only. Cos theta plus 2 cos square theta minus 1 equal to minus 1. Okay, there was another minus 1 there. Now this can be further done as cos theta plus 2. Now if we take cos theta common here, so 2 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. So now since the product of two numbers are 0, so therefore we can do one thing. So cos theta can be either 90 or 270. Okay, cos theta can be either 90 or 270, or cos 2 cos theta plus 1 can be 0, or again cos theta can be minus 1 by 2, where theta okay, let me correct this. Here cos theta can be 0, so therefore theta can be 90 or 270. So in this case theta again can be 120 or 240. Okay, so then the number of values are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So therefore option B will be the correct answer. So I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. So kindly go through all the three questions that we have discussed in this question, so that you can get a clear idea on how we can go about with the solution of the same. So with that said, I hope all the things are clear, and try to solve this question on your own as well. So in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, so that you can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. And now I'm signing out. Thank you so much.